The question is, in a medium sound travels 2 km in 3 seconds and in air it travels 3 km in 10 seconds. The ratio of the wavelengths of sound in the two media is A 1:8, B 1:18, C 8:1, D 20:9. Is the wavelength of one medium is lambda 1 is equal to V1 upon F. This is equation number 1. And the wavelength of other medium lambda 2 is equal to V2 upon F. This is equation number 2. As frequency remains same, so the ratio of wavelengths will be by dividing equation 1 by 2. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be equal to V1 upon F divided by V2 upon F. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be equal to V1 upon F. When we will change division into multiplication, then it will be F upon V2. So F will be get cancelled with F. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be equal to V1 upon V2. So the ratio of wavelengths lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be is V1 is obtained as 2 upon 3, or we can also write it as V1 divided by V2. So V1 is obtained as 2 upon 3 divided by V2, and V2 is 3 km in 10 seconds. So distance is 3 km divided by time, which is 10 seconds. As the ratio of wavelengths will be 2 upon 3 will remain same. When we will change division into multiplication, then it will be 10 upon 3. After simplification, we will get the ratio of wavelengths lambda 1 ratio lambda 2 will be obtained as 2 into 10, it will be 20 divided by 3 the 9, so it will be 20:9. So the correct option will be D 20:9.